Hi, this is Tom. I'm going to show you how to subscribe to a calendar on your Macintosh and or your iOS device like your iPad or your iPhone or maybe your iPod Touch. So one important thing before we get started, if you have a Macintosh and you have iOS devices like iPhones or iPads that are synchronized with your Mac, it's usually best to subscribe on your Mac, and then those calendar subscriptions go out to all of your iOS devices. I'm pretty sure that if you subscribe on your iPhone, for instance, that calendar will only reside on your phone. It won't get backwards pushed to your Mac and then out to your other iOS devices. So let's get started here. First, I'm going to just navigate to the calendar I want to subscribe to. So I go to the website, find game schedule, and you can do this for, say, this cheer calendar or this football calendar. Now notice the calendar is Rochester Redskins VP@gmail.com. This is important, so pay attention. So I'm going to click on Google Calendar down here. One other thing to note, I was already signed in to my Gmail account or my Google account. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this to my Gmail calendar, which I'm really not using on my Mac or my iPhone, so I'm syncing through iCloud. But anyway, I just want to, I'll say yes, add this. Then you'll notice that's under Scott Kozak. It's not under the Redskins per se. So then you just click on this little arrow, you come down to calendar settings, you click iCal. Now what you can do, if you read this, it just says you can copy and paste this into any calendar product that supports the iCal format. So rather than hit OK, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to say copy or Command C. Then I'm going to start iCal. So I start it up, I go up to the top, go File, New Calendar Subscription. Dialog box pops up. I just Command V or paste. I get the URL that was on the other page. Then I hit subscribe. Now, I can give it a name, anything I want. I'm just going to call it Redskins Calendar. You can choose a color. It's red, that's what I like. Gives me the URL I pasted in. Location says iCloud. If I click on my Mac, it will only be on the Mac. If I hit iCloud or choose that, any device that's synced with iCloud will have this calendar. So that's what I want. And then it's got an auto refresh. This is up to you. You can say no. The risk is if it changes, you won't get a feed. I don't think you need every 5 minutes, but it's up to you. I'm going to put every day for now. You can always change this. Then just hit OK. And the calendar shows up. So it's updating right now, but you can see that all the practices are in here, all the games. Of course, I usually like the week view. But anyway, the calendar's in there. It should push to your phone. You should be all set. You can also email the link that I just copied to your iPhone, and if you click on it, it should say subscribe, but again, it will only subscribe on that device, but maybe that's the way you want it also. I hope this was helpful for all you Macintosh and iOS device users. Thanks for listening.